So if we look at 49, is the X on the inside or outside? Try again. Outside. What about the Y? Is on the inside. So we got one in and one out. Okay, so the only options that we have are vertical or corresponding. They are vertical. Where's my marker? Okay, so these are going to be vertical angles. Okay, again, if you were not here for review 1, we took very good notes, so those videos are online, and you can pull those and look at them. Okay, 51, is the X on the inside or out? Inside. What about the Y? You're good. What about the Y? It's also inside. Okay, so there are two inside things. Okay, they can be same side or opposite side interior.
No, opposite.
Yeah, they're alt interior. Okay, 53 wants you to name the relationship. So complementary adds up to 90, linear pair adds up to 180, which is a straight line. Vertical adjacent, meaning right next to each other. Verticals across from each other, all interior corresponding, all exterior. What is 53? Okay, what do you notice? Okay. What else? They are side by side, so it's probably a comp or a sup. Okay? Huh? It is a right angle. So, if this is a right angle, then this is also a right angle. Okay? Which means that these are complementary. Okay, 55. What kind of angles are those? Okay, do they add up to 90?
No.
Do they add up to 180? Are they right across from each other or right next to each other? Then they are adjacent. Okay, 57. Okay, the 130, is that inside or outside? Inside. What about the B? It's also inside. Are they same sides or opposite sides? Opposite. So alt exterior, are those equal? Adds up to 180 or 360? They're equal. So if this is 130, then this one also has to be 130. Okay, 59. What kind of angles are those? They're vertical. So if the one is 71, then the other one has to be 71. Hello. There you go. C minus or higher. So pretty much no D then. Okay. Okay, 61. Or where's the 79? Inside or outside? Outside. What about the 61? Inside. So they can be corresponding or vertical. What are they? They're vertical, and vertical angles are equal. So if this is 79, then that one has to be 79. Okay, 63. Where's the question mark? Inside or outside? Inside. What about the 120? Outside. So I got one in and one out. So what are those? If I have one in and one out. Corresponding. And correspondings are also equal. So this is 120. Okay, 65. How much degrees does a triangle equal? 180. Okay, so we're going to say 180 minus 55 minus 67. That's where you guys come in.
58.
58? Somebody agree?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means that this one is 58. Okay, if we look at 67, which triangle do I start with? Triangle 1 or triangle 2? Triangle 1. Okay, so we're going to say 180 minus 84 minus 49. 47, somebody agree?
Yeah.
Okay, so 47, so that's going to go here. Okay, now, again, you're going to say 180 minus 47 minus 93 is going to give us this one. 46? Somebody not in their group, what'd they get? 180 minus 93 minus 47. You got 42? Okay. Okay, and then we have this last triangle. We could say 180 minus, 100 minus 40 is also 40. Okay, so this is my final answer. Okay. Okay, the next one says, right, complete each congruent statement. Okay, so IK. Okay, so this is a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Where is the I located in the first one? At a 3. So the 3 in the second one is a T. Okay, where is K located in the first one? Where is it at? Like what number? 1. So 1 in the second one is also K. Okay, and then we need the sign above it. Okay, mark the angles. Okay, and these ones are not that bad because they're totally separate. Okay, so H, I, J, and we're gonna go in that order. So H is gonna get 1, I is gonna get 2, and J is gonna get a 3. Okay, because it goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, for the second one, D is gonna get 1, E is gonna get 1, or 2, my bad, and F is gonna get 3. Okay, and then when we do the other one, we go 1, 2. So 1, 2, okay, is HI. He's gonna get 1. 1, 2 is DE. He's gonna get 1. Okay, 2, 3 is IJ. He's gonna get 2. And 2, 3 is EF. He's gonna get 2. Okay, and then the last one is obviously gonna get 3. Okay, 73, I want you to write a statement. Okay, so when we write a statement, it's gonna look like triangle. Okay, let's work on this first one, triangle 1. What's coming first? I, then what? H, U. Okay, second one. What's coming first? H, I, J. Okay, determine if the triangles are congruent. State if they are and how you know. Okay, are the triangles touching?
Yes.
Yes, so we can mark what? The middle. Okay, so when I mark the middle, I now have how many sides? I have 3 sides. So this is going to be what? Side, side, side. Okay, 76. Are those triangles touching? Yes. So what can be marked? The vertical angles. Okay, how many angles do I have? 2. How many sides do I have? 1. Okay, so it's got to be something with an A, 2 A's and an S. What is the angle, side? Okay, and we talked about this yesterday. ASS is not a thing. Okay. Okay, 78. What can we mark? They're touching, so what can be marked?
The middle angles.
The vertical angles. Okay, and so what is this? Side angle, side. Are you allowed to mark if the triangles are not touching? No. Okay, if they're not touching, you should not be marking anything. Okay. The ones that say this, like it gives you an answer, okay, those ones, yes, you can mark, okay? But these ones, you cannot mark anything, okay, if they're not touching. Okay, so they want you to say side angle, side, okay? These triangles are touching, so what has to be marked? The vertical angles have to be marked, okay? What do we get to mark now? I have one side and one angle. I do need to mark another side, okay? So where does that need to go?
G to L.
G to L, I agree. What about on the other side? L to K. Okay, so when we're doing these, we have we have to mark them because they're touching, and we get to mark something, okay? Because there's a difference, right? You don't need and wants, right? Something you want, okay, maybe a PlayStation. Something you need is friggin' water, okay? Are these triangles touching? Yes, so what do we have to mark? The middle. We have to mark the middle. What do we get to mark? Okay, we get to mark another angle, okay? And where does it have to go? I need angle, angle, side. S on the first one. What on the second one?
T.
T on the second one. Okay, 83. What is the Pythagorean theorem formula?
A squared plus B squared equals.
A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, which side is C?
X.
Across from the right. Okay, and in this case it's X. So we got 8 squared plus 6 squared equals X squared. Okay, what is 8 squared plus 6 squared?
64 plus 100.
Huh?
100.
It's 100? Somebody agree? 8 squared plus 6 squared. Yeah? 100? Then what needs to happen?
Square root it.
Square root it. Okay, so it's going to be X equals 10. Okay, 85. What is missing? A, B, or C? C. So it's going to look like 9 squared plus 12 squared equals C squared. Okay, what is 9 squared plus 12 squared? 225. So we get 225 equals C squared. Okay, and then we're going to square root both sides. Is it 15? Okay. Okay, state if each triangle is a right triangle. Which one is going to be the C? 13. Why do we know that that one has to be the C?
Because it's the biggest one.
It's the biggest one. Okay, what is 5 squared plus 12 squared? 5 squared plus 12 squared? 169. Okay, what is 13 squared? 169. Okay, so is this going to be a yes or a no?
Yes.
It's going to be a yes. So if they're the same number on both sides, okay, then it is a yes. Okay, if they are different numbers, okay, then it's going to be a no. Okay, last one. I got 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 10 squared. Okay, I know that side's going to be 100. I don't know what the other one is. What's 6 squared plus 8 squared? It's also 100? Okay, so this one is going to be a yes. Okay, the rest of the package for you guys, get it done.